Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add animated arrow in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone and then I'm going to create new project. But wait. Okay, I'm going to click on new project and I'm going to select one of videos from my gallery. For example, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to click on add. Alright, and then I'm going to add animated arrow to this video. To add animated arrow, we can go to the text and then we're going to scroll all the way to the right until we find the draw. And then you can choose this one. Okay, we can create arrow like this. And I'm going to add one more arrow, okay? And then you can change the color if you want. Sorry, I'm going to change the color before I draw the arrow. Alright, like this. And then you can customize the opacity and also the pattern. Okay, if you want to change the pattern, just click on the pattern. I'm going to use this one. Let's try. Okay, it's not good, so I'm just going to undo. Alright, and I'm going to show you guys how we can animate the arrow. If we want to add animation, we just need to go to the animation and then you can choose the animation that you like or the animation which is suitable for your video. Okay, like this, or you can choose the loop animation just like this. And for me, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, I'm just going to pick random animation just to show you the step. Okay, and now the animated arrow has been added to my video. Or actually, you can go to the sticker. Wait, I'm going to select sticker and then you can go to the arrow category and then you can add animated arrow here like this. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial on how to add animated arrow in CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys. Hope this video helpful.